Mindy here with your SaunaWrap Therapeutic Blanket. It's time to show you exactly how to use your personal at-home sauna and start experiencing the benefits of this unforgettable, truly rejuvenating sweat. Because when your body heats up, your heart rate begins to rise, which boosts your circulation, like it would during a moderate workout. The increased circulation you experience during sauna treatments can also help ease joint pain, muscle soreness, and boost endorphins for that post-workout glow. But before we get to it, be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell right next to it, so you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. And with that covered, let's get to the good stuff. In your box, you'll find your SaunaWrap blanket, already packed in a super convenient carrying case. Be sure to check with your doctor and read all the warnings in the user guide before slipping into your SaunaWrap. Step 1. Unbox your brand new SaunaWrap and place it on a flat, heat-resistant surface. I use mine on my bed, sofa, or anywhere that's close to an outlet, so I can easily plug it in. Step 2. Unfold your SaunaWrap, and this next part is optional, but I've learned I'm most comfortable when I place a towel inside the SaunaWrap right where I'll be laying down. Step 3. Connect the controller to the plug at the foot of your SaunaWrap, and then plug the other end into the nearest outlet. Now this is when things start heating up. Step 4. Press the on-off button once. You'll notice your SaunaWrap is set to a default temperature, and you can increase to your desired temperature by pressing the temp button. Once your temperature is set, you'll use the time button to set your desired time in the blanket. Here's a pro tip. It'll take about 5 to 10 minutes for the blanket to warm up, so factor those minutes into your entire session. Then simply press the green start button and wait for your blanket to heat up. Before you slip yourself into your SaunaWrap, make sure to have a face towel and water nearby. Hydration is key during a sauna session. Step 5. You're now ready to begin the ultimate at-home sauna experience. Now slide into your SaunaWrap and close yourself in up to your neck. While you're sweating it out, you can watch TV, listen to music or audiobooks, even remove one arm from the blanket and read a book. Sometimes I'll even take a much-needed nap when I'm using my SaunaWrap. This is your time to unwind, relax, and spend time rejuvenating your body as you see fit. Before you know it, time's up, and you're feeling that coveted runner's high without the dreaded workout. Step 6 is simple. Slip out of your SaunaWrap and leave the blanket open to cool down. If you used a towel, there's not much to clean up, but you can use a clean cloth to wipe it down and any non-toxic wipe to give it a thorough clean. Then refold your SaunaWrap into its carrying case. I stash mine under the bed to keep it out of the way. And then you're done! Your personal sauna tucked away and out of sight until your next session. That's all the time I have for today. How will you use your SaunaWrap? Let us know in the comments. See you next time!